This one is weird. I've been researching and trying to figure this spirituality. What can we do, right? And I was talking to a man, we were talking about spirituality, and he started talking about some Danish guy who had written a book. And he wanted to share the story and the knowledge of this Danish guy with me, right? And he was telling, oh, I can't remember the name of the guy. And I had no idea who he was talking about. And I just thought to myself, let me try something. So I just, I don't think I closed my eyes even, because I was talking to him, right? But I just sent the intention. So I said, please help him remember the name of this Danish guy. And 2 seconds later, he came up with the name. Oh, I remember it. It's this. And he said the name. And then he looks at me and he says, thank you. And did you know what happened here? Why did you thank me? No, I don't know. I felt like thanking you. So did he know at some level that I had that intention and asked, the people upstairs to help? I have no idea. But I find it curious that he came up with a name. Well, of course, if you're struggling to come up with names, sometimes it comes in second. So it could absolutely be a coincidence. But he looked at me and said, thank you. Okay. Well, thank you, and you're welcome.